how to get an Opay physical ATM card. Now there are two ways to get it. The first way is through the Opay app and the second way is through local merchants. Now, this is the first way. You click on cards, You click on cards. Sorry, I was already applying for one. So right there to show apply, just click on the apply. Because I was there applying for one, it said I should continue my application. So you check your information, then click confirm and pay. Then you confirm how you want to pay and you press pay. Of course, make sure your delivery address is correct and your card will be nice and deliver to you. Now the second one is through the Opay merchants, which is to go to their location and just get a card from them. It's around 1,000 naira. It's actually quite cheaper than delivery. So you just get a card for them and they were able to register it and everything. And that's it.